Hello guys, welcome to another PixelLab tutorial. In today's PixelLab photo editing tutorial, I will be showing you these amazing photo editing tricks you can begin to use whether for your background manipulations or for any related designs. So in the end of today's video tutorial guide, you'll be learning a new trick you can use on PixelLab to make your design a professional one. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you give us a subscribe and make sure you like this video. And at the end of this video, make sure you share this video to your designers friend and let them benefit from this video. Now let's get right into this video. So let me first change the background. Let me change the size of this background so it will be visible for everyone to see. So let me give it a thumbnail like this. So we'll be working with this background now for this trick we want, for this photo editing trick we want to do today. So let me bring in a background that we will work with for the sake of this video, and I'll go over to my background resources to select whatever I want to work with. So let me just pick something over here. So we'll be working with this picture right here, this picture right here. So we'll be using this picture for this video tutorial guide, and I may leave the picture at the description of this video, so you should check the folder in the description of this video to access this video now. So the next thing I want to do now is to bring in the text, and I'll be naming the text this text. So let me just write let's write light. Let's write light like this. So because we'll be using it so related. Sure, you can use any text you want, but today's we'll be using it. So we'll go over and go select a new font that we'll be using for this. So let me go to my recent fonts and let me see which font we can use. So let me just select a new font right from here. So just follow through everything I'll be doing, and let me look for something that is bold, and then we should go. Okay, I think I love this library. Let me use this library. So let me search for it, library. So we should work with this over here. Let's use this font over here. So we'll go with this. Okay, so now let me increase the size. So increase the size to something big like this, and when you have something like this, you should leave it like this. So now the next thing now is to give it a color that is entirely different from whatever you are working with the background. Remember, this color is closer to the background, so whenever you want to give the text a color, make sure the color is different from the any of the background in this design. So I'll be giving this design, let me give it a red color because it is different. So the red color is entirely different from this. So when you have this over here, you centralize like this. So just like I said, you should have something like so centralized like this. When you centralize like this, the next thing you need to do is to copy and hide this text. So I will copy this text now. Let me centralize it also like this, and I'll be hiding the second text we copied like this. So I'll copy and lock it like this. So for this one, I'll just shift it a little bit to the front and I'll leave it like this. So after you have done this like this, so the next thing is to go over to background on that first text. Go over to background like this, enable the background, and make sure you like the background cover the entire canvas of this design we are working with our pixel library. Make sure this background cover it, and let's choose a deeper color. So let me pick another color like this, and let's leave it as black. Okay, let's use something like this now. So we have something like this. So when you have something like this now, the next thing we need to do now, we need to turn this text, we need to turn it into a shape so we can remove this red color. And to do that, just bring in a little shape. Just come here and bring in a little shape like this. Make sure you just make the shape small, and place it around, and let's place it around this. Let me do it like this. So place it around the middle of this thing like this. So just place it on the text, on the a text. So because we want to use it, so change the color to red like this, and you have something. So go over here and match that shape and the first, match these two together. So match them together like this, and you should have something like this. Sorry, so go back like this. So when you match them like this now, the next thing we need to do, so we need to remove this red text, and to remove the red text, we go over to erase color, enable the erase color, and select this red color like this, and you should have something like this. So when you get to this place, you have something like this. So still on that red color, let's increase the tolerance a little bit. Let's reduce, increase the tolerance a little bit, and okay, we are good like this. So when we have this now, we are okay. So just go over to emboss, go over to this emboss right here, and let's just try to this emboss has an issue. So let's forget about this emboss. So when you have this right over here now, you have something like this now. So the next thing we need to do now is to come here and open this text. When you open this text, make sure you centralize and make sure bring it to the front at first. Bring it to the front like this, and make sure you put it like this over here. As you can see like this, make sure you put it like this. And when you have this over here now, you need to go over to this 3D rotate, 3D rotate. So when you get to this 3D rotate now, we need to rotate the text to something else. So no, not this one. So use this like this. So when you have this like this now, make sure okay, put it like this now. So like this. So just have it like this now. So let's increase the text. Let me increase it like this. Sorry, increase the size of this, and we'll place it like this over here like this now. So increase it a little bit. Sorry, not this one, the second one like this. Increase and just make sure it aligns with the format, and you should have something like this. You should have something like, so let me just take this down a little bit, and now we have something like this now. So the next thing you need to do again now is to match this first one and this second one together. So match them together like this, match them together like this, and we should have something like this. So when you get to this stage, also go over to this shape icon and erase the red color again. Erase the red color, this red color from this place. So just select the red color and erase it like this, and we should have something like, so increase the tolerance a little bit, increase the tolerance a little bit, and we should have something like this. We should have something like this. So you can really go over to opacity and increase the light, increase the opacity, and we should have something like this. So you can easily increase the size like this, increase the size. Now can we see what we are, what we got over here? So this is how we can do this right on PixelLab. This is how we can do this right on PixelLab. So you can just easily stick around again and watch till you get it more and more like this. So we should have something like this. So this is how to create something amazing, a light effect, more like you are showing you are creating a double exposure with PixelLab. So this is everything I want to show you in this video tutorial, guy. If you find this helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you share this video to your creative friends. Let me see what else we can do on this. So let me go over to emboss. Let me see if it's going to still bring their issue, or they're still bringing their issue. So we can't work with this emboss. If to see this emboss work, I wanted to give it some little lightning, but let's see if we can work with this bar shadow. So when you get to this shadow, you can use a, let's say, a white shadow, like this. Nope, it's not working, also. So let me do like this. Okay, I think we can use something. So just give it an inner shadow, give the inner shadow a white source, something so it to be more realistic. And you can just increase the blur radius, reduce the blur radius like this, and we have this. So this is everything I want to show you in this video tutorial, guys. So you can easily walk around and just stick around, do your thing, and perfect everything. So this is what I want to show you. If you find this helpful, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video to your creative friends. Thank you for watching up to this moment. See you at the next video.